welcome to Katie.Pix. Don't mind me, just having a cup of tea. Today we are making one of my favourites. In fact, this is my brother's favourite dish, Thai green curry. Disclaimer, it is not authentic, it is not the real thing, it is just a recipe that I enjoy making, and so please don't get offended, but it's a lovely little take on a Thai green curry and easy as hell to make at home. We're going to start off by making a delicious Thai green curry paste of our very own. The beauty of this thing is you can make it, you can freeze it, and you can chuck it into your Thai green curry whenever you fancy it, any day of the week. How good is that? Best thing is to have either a pestle and mortar or a little hand blender or one of these handy little things that's going to help us blitz all of our ingredients. Into it we're going to add 2 finely chopped sticks of lemongrass, 5 centimetres of ginger, 2 red bird's eye chilies, ideally make them green, 4 cloves of garlic, peeled, 2 shallots, a teaspoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Wow, that hums. I'm going to give these a little wazz up first. And 1/4 of a bunch of fresh coriander, stalks and all. Whoopa! And there you have it. That is our paste ready to rock and roll. Yay. So this is going to be enough for about 6 to 8 people. It's a big serving. So next up, we're going to move on to our curry. I'm going to go and grab 750 grams of free-range, high welfare, organic chicken thigh, deboned, out the fridge. Did you get that? If you didn't, go to Katie.Pix.com, the recipe's there. Pop a pan on a medium to high heat with 1 tablespoon of oil. Chicken thighs into that to get some nice colour on them. Okay, so our chicken has been seared, so I'm going to pop that aside. That will still need some more cooking time, so just remember that. You're not done with that, so don't suddenly think, oh, I haven't put the chicken in and whack it in last minute, because it still needs cooking. This is still very hot, and we're going to take advantage of that and put our Thai green chili paste in to our lovely hot pan with an extra tablespoon of oil. Yeah, get that sizzle. Okay, so once your chili paste has had a couple of minutes, we're going to go in with the coconut milk, which is one of my favourites. And we are also going to chuck in 400 mils of boiling water. In we go. And 1 chicken stock cube to make sure we get that extra chickeny flavour. Now, as you will see, this makes quite a loose curry. So what we're going to do is leave this on the heat for about 10 minutes and just let it reduce a little bit. We want it to thicken up at this point. Kaffir lime leaves. That is Thai green curry in a bowl. We're going to put in 6. You can normally get these in your supermarket, but otherwise just leave them out and we'll hit it up with some lime zest at the end. So what you're going to have here is quite a loose curry mixture at this point. So we do want it to reduce a little, leave it to simmer away for about 10 minutes. Halfway through your 10 minutes, add your chicken back into the pot to cook through thoroughly. At the end of the 10 minutes, we're going to go in with our veggies. So I've got 150 grams of baby corn, 150 grams of mange tout, and 1 red pepper, all finely sliced. And then we're going to season to taste with a little bit of salt and pepper. Give it a final 4 to 5 minutes or until your baby corn is lovely and tender, and then you're ready to serve. So there you have it, a gorgeous take on the Thai green curry. I hope you like this recipe, guys. All that's left to do is to finish it off with a cheeky squeeze of a lime, which just cuts through that heat, and a lovely sprinkling of coriander. Get in there. Oh. The chicken is so juicy, and that beautiful sauce is so intense in flavour. You get that chicken, you get that heat, but it just tickles you right at the end. There it is. Whew. That is beautiful. If you can handle more heat, go for it, but that is bang on for me. How delightful a dish. I hope you can let it go, guys. And if you want to see more from me, then please do subscribe. I'd love to have you here every single week. I make recipes on a Tuesday and I vlog on a Friday. Until next time, bye! Oh my gosh.